Math application. Question. The chickens and the rabbits are in a cage. They are 13.5 head and 19.4 feet. Please calculate how many rabbits and how many chickens. So for this kind of question, we know the total number of the chickens and rabbits and their feet number. So we can use assumptions. It means that we can assume they are all chickens or they are all rabbits. So we use like that. The first way, we assume that they are all rabbits. They are all rabbits means that each animal will have 4 feet. So 4 multiple 13.5 is the total numbers in assumption of all rabbits. Of course, it is obviously bigger than 19.4. The gap is the number of the chickens contribute to. So the unit gap of feet is 4 minus 2. So we use the gap of the total feet is divided by the gap of the unit. Then we can get 23. So 23 is the number of the chickens. And then we can get that, and the rabbit is 12. Of course, we can use the second way. It means that we can assume that all animals are chickens. And 2 multiple 13.5 is 17. And 19.4 minus 17 is the gap between all chickens, and then they should have some rabbits. And the unit gap is still 2, so we use them divided by 2, we can get 12. 12 is the number of the rabbits, and then we can get same result of the chicken at 23. So the answer is there are 23 chickens and 12 rabbits. Think about this question seriously. Thanks for watching.